Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to express my personal views on recent fall of Adani Group of stocks. There are 6 stocks available from Adani Groups. We are going to discuss about these stocks and how to deal with these stocks in equity as well as F&O segment. And before going in details, I would like to express few points about the SuperFans trading tips pattern which operates through WhatsApp. SuperFans is a trading tips platform which operates through WhatsApp for retail traders. So in this trading tips plan, we used to give penny stocks in equity then and there. So apart from this, we also give penny stocks in options trading, stock option with a low premium like 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise up to 90 paise with the entry as well as target. So apart from this, we also give low budget stock option trading tips with the entry and target. So there are three type of trading tips you will be getting from this pattern. One is penny stocks in option trading. Second one is low budget in option trading. Third one is penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making. This long term wealth making equity stocks is nothing but the prices ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees. Such a kind of equity stocks will be given in this trading tips pattern. You need not trade with these equity stocks. You buy and stay invested for few years to make a great fortune for you and your family. Now let us go into the video about Adani Group of stocks. In the Adani Group of stocks, there are 6 stocks available, 6 prominent stocks available. So one is Adani Transmissions Limited. On the day I am recording this video, it is 16th of June. The price is 1374. The Adani Transmission Limited is sitting at the lower circuit break. And the other stock is Adani Power Limited, which is also at the lower circuit break. It has a price at 127 rupees. And third stock is Adani Total Gas Limited. It's a super stock also. Adani Total Gas Limited. It also sitting at the lower circuit break at a price 1394. So one can think and watch these 3 stocks because there may be some more fall in these 3 stocks. Equity investors and equity traders has to wait for some more fall. Then once the recovery occurs in these 3 stocks, they can start buying or start investing in these 3 stocks. And rest of the stocks are Adani Green Energy Limited. In my view, my personal opinion is this Adani Green Energy Limited will be the market leader in future. So if you have a risk taking ability, you can invest for your future. The Adani Green Energy Limited, it has a range, ongoing prices 1001.88, and the other 2 stocks are the prominent stocks which I used to trade in option segment always. The stock is Adani Ports and Chess. The Adani Ports and Chess is trading. It's not in circuit break. It's out of the circuit. So it is trading around 732 rupees. Considering the 1 month pricing data, it went up to 901 rupees and had a fall up to 681 rupees. Then after bounce back, now it is trading at 732 rupees. So one can watch this stock. So identify the movement of this stock. Then if you want to take more risk and more profit, go along with this stock. If the stock's moving in the upward direction, take a long position or do with the call option with the particular high liquidifying strike price. And the other stock is Adani Enterprises. The ongoing price is 1529. It also went to a high of 1717, a magical number in within a month. Then and the bad news came. It made a fall up to 1201. Then it had a bounce back about 300 rupees. So it reaches 1529 is the ongoing price. So one can also watch this stock. They can travel along this stock in F&O segment, particularly in option segment. So let us conclude. The stocks Adani Transmission, Adani Power and Adani Total Gas Limited are in the lower circuit. So wait for some more fall. Yes, there is any some more fall, watch. Then you can do your bottom fishing. And Adani Green Energy is a passive stock. You can invest even right away. But if the stock is making a fall, you can also wait. So either way you can make right away, because in the future it will give a great return. This Adani Green Energy Limited, such a company it is. And in F&O traders, particularly option traders, don't miss to make a profit with Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises. So these are my personal views and personal opinion for academic learning purpose. And coming back again, the SuperFans trading tips platform. So it is better if you want to make a baby step, if you want to make a consistent profits, if you want to make a profit day by day or either week, you can subscribe to SuperFans. So the SuperFans subscription is 7,999 per month. It's nominal fees only. So you can subscribe the SuperFans either by GPay or PhonePe or Paytm or Amazon Pay to the WhatsApp number. I'll leave the WhatsApp number in the description. So you can remit your subscription. Then contact our WhatsApp number with your details like your name, place and email ID. So this is about the SuperFans as well as the Adani group of stocks. So keep watching this channel, give your support. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.